Hello my students, I am Shantanu. Welcome back to my channel again. Today in this class, I will discuss some more important synonyms for the ensuing SSC CGL exam 2022. So kindly keep watching my videos, subscribe to my channels and also press the notification bell icon for more such videos. Before starting the class, I should say that if you have any queries regarding any part of this class, you can drop your queries in the comment box. I will certainly give replies to your comments. So here I would like to state my class. Kindly keep your eye fixing on the board. Now look over the first question. If I just go through the first question, the word is beguile. So it's an adverb, it's a verb. It is not an adverb, it's a verb. So what does it mean? Beguile means, if I just analyze the word beguile, it means deceive, or you can say cheat someone. Even swindle. Swindle can also be the option. Or instead of swindle, you can also say hoodwink. Etc. There are many words. But if I say deter, deter is such a word. Deter means prevent. Or you can say resist. Or you can say step off. Or you can say ward off. So there are many words. Or you can say check. One means one to one someone. So here it means deceive. Once means give ultimatum. Repel means you can say repel. I was repelled. This means you can say I was annulled, I was rejected, something like that. So repel, you can also say repel means rejected or something like that. Repel means you can say dismiss to some extent, or you can say retrench, or you can say skim out. You can also say confiscate. So there are many words for this. So deceive means to swindle someone, to hoodwink someone, to cheat someone. On the other hand, deter means to prevent something, to resist something, to ward off something, to stave off something, to check something. One means give ultimatum, although one has many meanings. I am just telling some of them. Repel, you can say that I was repelled from there, I was repelled from the post. That means I was checked down, or I was confiscated. You can say I was rejected, something like that. I was made to disagree, something like that. This is called repelling. So dismiss, restrain, skim out. So all this can be there, but the right answer is deceive. Now if I just go for the next question, sanctimonious. Sanctimonious means extremely sacred or extremely religious. So here I should say, so impious does not mean religious, pious means religious. If I just analyze this word structure, you will find that pious means religious, impious means not religious. Unreligious. Okay. But on the other hand, if I say devout means extremely religious. Extremely religious. Empirical means knowledge out of experience. Empirical, this is called empirical. Empirical means knowledge out of experience. Knowledge out of experience. This is called empirical. Mottling means intoxicated or drunk. So if I just write the word mottling, it's an adjective form. You can say it means drunk, or you can say intoxicated. Even you can also say inebriated. So there are many words, but here sanctimonious, empirical does not mean sanctimonious, impious does not mean. If pious had been there, it might have been a case in point. Maudlin means drunk, or you can say intoxicated. There is another meaning of maudlin. It means foolishly or weakly sentimental. Foolishly or weakly sentimental. So here the answer is devout. Now if I just go for the next question, malice. Malice means something that extreme jealous, extreme jealousy, or extremely jealous. So this you can say this is called malice. But if I just write this under, you can say grudge. Grudge can be the option, or you can say spite. Spite can also be the option. But metle, potpourri or mishmash all indicate the same thing. Medley means a mixture of things. Medley, if I just write this on the medley, if I just write these questions, medley, it means a mixture of things. Okay. On the other hand, potpourri or mismatch, it's a French word. If I say this, it's a French word. It's a French word. That means its origin is French. French word. It means confused mixture or something. It also means unhealthy mixture, or you can say bad mixtures. Okay, so in one word I should say malice only fits for this option. Neither medley, not potpourri, not mismatch can be the answer, because all medley, potpourri, mismatch all indicate the same thing, mixture of things or people. But here is the question, but the uses of medley or potpourri or mismatch are different from one another. That means where you can use medley or where you can use potpourri or where you can use mismatch cannot be the same one. So it's a different track question, but here I should say that the answer goes for this option. Now if I just go for the next question, sleuth. Sleuth means investigator or one who investigates something. That means the right answer is investigator. So traveler, you all know the meaning of traveler. There is no need to introduce the meaning. So if I just go for the word convict. Convict means one who is sentenced under the law. This is called convict. Okay. Now if I just go for jury. Jury means a bench of justice or judges. Jury means a bench of judges. This is called jury. Okay. So sleuth means investigator. Investigator means sleuth. Neither traveler nor convict nor jury can be the answer. Jury means a bench of judges. On the other hand, or on the contrary, convict means one who is condemned or deprecated or something sentenced under the law or by the law. Traveler means one who travels from one place to another place, one who lives a migrant life, something like that. Investigator means sleuth, sleuth means investigator. Now if I just go for this word, ignominy. So what can be the word? Ignominy is a noun form. Ignominious is the adjective form. So stupidity, you all know the meaning of stupidity. There is no need to analyze it. Exposure means coming to life. If I just go for the word exposures or bringing to light or taking the air, it's a noun form. Exposures means bringing to light. Okay, this is called exposure, or you can say disclosing something, disclosing can be the option. Disclosing can be the option, but here I should say that exposure means that is not for ignominy. Disgrace means you can say disgrace means you can say dishonor. So ignominy or disgrace all are equal. So ignominy means it's a disgrace or dishonor. You can say dishonor or disgrace. So here this can be the answer. Scolding means to insult someone, to humiliate someone, to you can say reprove someone, to abuse someone. This is called scolding. So scolding, if I just write the word scolding here, scolding means humiliating, or abusing, or reprimanding. Even taking to task can also be a nice word. Taking to task, etc. There are many words, etc. But if I just go for this option, ignominy, it means disgrace or dishonor. Neither exposure, nor stupidity, nor scolding can be the option. Okay. Here the word is scolding, not scalding. So the first answer goes for option A, second option goes for option A, third option goes for option B, fourth answer goes for option A, fifth answer goes for option C. Okay. So if you have any queries regarding this short analysis, you can make your comments in the comments box. If you think my class is informative for all of you for the upcoming SSC exam, exam, you can make your comments in the comment box. I will certainly give replies. You can also share my video with the person needed more. Kindly keep waiting for my next class. Tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, I will come up with more interesting topics. Till then, have a very good day.